Guys, are you looking for a cool set of open ear sports headphones that are light, comfortable and sound great? Well, today we're taking a look at the Nuroum OW20 sports open ear headphones designed for active lifestyles and built with cutting edge technology. These headphones feature Bluetooth 5.3 multi-point connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly connect to multiple devices at once, and with an impressive 15-hour battery life, they're perfect for long workouts, commutes or days on the go. And they're coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's the kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Nuroum OW20 sports open ear headphones. Now, if you don't know Nuroum, well, they make a ton of audio and video gear for home and office. Now guys, before we get into it, Nuroum sent me these headphones to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. We also have a proprietary charging cable, which I'm not a huge fan of, but you know what? It's not unusual on this type of device. Then guys, we get to the main event itself. Now, these headphones are crafted from a durable silicone plastic, ensuring they're lightweight and they're comfortable. And they're a comfortable fit all around, which is essential for sports and active use. On the left-hand side, you'll find the music playback controls and the magnetic contacts for the proprietary charging cable. And these controls also double as call management buttons, making it easy to make and take calls on the go. Now guys, what sets these Nuroum OW20s apart is this open ear bone conduction technology, which allows you to enjoy your music while maintaining situational awareness, making them ideal for outdoor activities like running or cycling. I mean, you can stay alert to your surroundings without sacrificing your music experience. And as well as all of that, these headphones offer a significant health benefit by not channeling loud music into your ears. So you know what? They can also help reduce the risk of hearing damage. So what about that sound quality? Well, you know what? Bone conduction technology might not deliver the deepest bass. And you know what? The OW20s, I wouldn't say they're bassy, but you know what? They offer a really pleasant audio experience. The highs are crisp and the overall sound quality provides a rich tone without being tinny. I mean, after extended listening, guys, I tell you what, you hardly know that you're wearing them, which speaks volumes about their comfort. Now, unlike traditional headphones, there's minimal ear fatigue with these, making them great for long wear. And guys, for those of you that may need a headset that's more geared towards communications, Nuroum also offers this OW20B, which includes an attached boom mic. Other than that, they're identical. And you know what, guys? Lastly, both models feature AI noise suppression, ensuring clean audio for both music and calls. So guys, there you have it. With a 15-hour battery life and a price tag of only £129 for the OW20s and £149 for these OW20Bs, these headphones offer excellent value for money. Whether you're an athlete, commuter or somebody who enjoys multitasking, the Nuroum OW20 and OW20B provide a compelling package. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Nuroum for sending me these cool and useful headsets to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.